I'm glad I finally get to use SNESOS for the first time. Now to open the web browser. Why did it freeze? Wait, don't tell me. We interrupt your computer session to give you a Yoshi error. Yoshi was killed by Barney. Barney tied him up in his lair. But there is no timer. You get 50 chances, and those will be the only chances you will get. Do not at any time turn off your SNESOS PC. If you do, then you will lose a chance. Lose all 50 chances and you will have to enter the code within 2 minutes. This is Aiden, signing off. Remember, I'm watching you, and do not turn off your PC. I don't care, I'm turning off my PC. Hey, I see you turned off your computer. Don't do it again. That's the second time you've turned off your PC. There will be consequences if you keep this up. This is your last chance before I turn angry on you. This is your last chance before I turn into my evil mode. Choose wisely. This is your only chance to change your mind. That's it, I'm turning off my computer whenever you like it or not. I swear to God if something scary shows up, then I'm gonna scream like a... No. That was the most scariest thing I've ever seen.
I'm in evil mode because of you. Plus, you now have 33 chances. Do not turn off your computer anymore. If you turn off your PC, then you will regret your life decisions after this. This is your last chance before you have to enter the code. Choose your fate wisely. That's it. I'm done. You wasted all your 50 chances. I'm giving you an extra chance to redeem yourself. But you have to enter the code within 2 minutes. Go.
I hope this code is correct.
The code you entered is incorrect. Here is the correct code. If you have entered the correct code, then you would have returned back to your PC session. But I'm afraid that's not going to happen. Now it's time to punish you. You didn't listen to me about turning off your SNES-OS PC 50 times. You are banned from SNES-OS PC for 1 day. Say goodbye to your PC. You will have to buy a new one or wait 1 day to use this one again. Now I have to crash your PC now. Goodbye.
No. My PC. Now I have to wait 1 day to use it again. Oh well, guess I have to buy a new one or wait 1 day to use this one again. I'll wait 1 day to use it again if that's the last thing that's gonna happen. I'm putting this PC away for a day to use it again.